Hello class 4th students, this is your social studies book. We will start with your third chapter, which is third chapter. Your first and second chapter is your reading chapter. So third chapter is My Country and its landscape. Landscape means everything you can see when you look across a large area of land. Now we will start with the chapter. Your first heading is Knowing Our Country. India is in the southern part of the continent of Asia. There are 7 continents and Asia is one of them, and India lies in the southern part of Asia. It is the 7th largest and second most populated country in the world. So India is the 7th largest country in the whole world and second most populated country in the whole world. It stretches about 3,214 km from north to south and 2,993 km from east to west. Stretches means an area of land and water. The area which comes between this from north to south and 2,993 kilometers from east to west comes in India. The second heading is location. Being located in the southern part of Asia, India is surrounded by water on 3 sides. So India is in southern part of Asia, so it is surrounded by water from 3 sides. The Bay of Bengal in the east, the the Arabian Sea in the west, and the Indian Ocean in the south. India shares its borders with Pakistan and Afghanistan to the northwest. इंडिया अपने बॉर्डर्स नॉर्थ वेस्ट से पाकिस्तान और अफगानिस्तान से शेयर करता है. चाइना, नेपाल एंड भूटान टू द नॉर्थ एंड नॉर्थ ईस्ट एंड म्यांमार एंड बांग्लादेश टू द ईस्ट. श्रीलंका एंड मालदीव्स lies to the south of the country and India's neighbor. Neighbors means country near India. The countries which is near India are neighbors of India. The third heading is States and Union Territories of India. Today, India has a population of over 1 billion people. In order to look after the citizens of the country and to run it smoothly means without any difficulty, it has been divided into 29 states and 7 union territories. Territories means an area of land that belongs to one country, including the national capital territory of Delhi. So India is a very big country and it has population of over 1 billion people. Citizens means member of a particular country. The people who lives in a particular country are citizens of that country. So India is a very big country. To run it smoothly, it is divided into 29 states and 7 union territories. So New Delhi is the capital of India, where the president, prime minister and other ministers of central government live. Our country's capital is New Delhi. New Delhi is the capital of India and every states have their own capital. In this capital, our president, prime minister and other ministers of country government live. The offices of government of India are also based in this country. जो गवर्नमेंट के ऑफिसेज होते हैं वो भी कहाँ पे होते हैं, जो हर स्टेट्स की कैपिटल होती है. द कैपिटल सिटी ऑफ अ स्टेट इज द सिटी फ्रॉम वेयर इट्स गवर्नमेंट फंक्शन मीन्स द पर्पस और स्पेशल ड्यूटी of a person or thing. हर स्टेट की गवर्नमेंट के ऑफिस उसी कैपिटल में होते हैं एंड द गवर्नमेंट फंक्शंस फ्रॉम देयर ओनली. द टेबल बिलो लिस्ट द नेम ऑफ ऑल द states and union territories of India and their capitals. These are the states, 29 states and their capitals, and these are union territories and their capitals. So we will discuss it in your next class. This is it for today. Read it thoroughly and understand. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.